Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see how we can use Facebook app. So in order to run the Facebook app you need to go to this icon and click on it. So I won't be covering anything like a registration and all in this video, so it's basically give you the overview how to use a Facebook app. So in Facebook most of the things are deals with the posting anything. So what we call it is a post. So post can be anything like it can be a picture, it can be a text based thing, and it can be a video too. So this is all it will be going around. So in order to post anything, so post is you can treat it as a message. If you have send any message in all times or maybe WhatsApp messages. So for this, it is going to be can be treated as a message thing for the Facebook app. So in order to post anything on your wall or timeline, you need to go to this home icon, and then you will find a text box which says something like write something here. So what it means is when you type anything by clicking on it, and when you start typing, uh, it will create a post for you. So in this you are looking at some sample text, and in the background you can see some candle lights, so you can change it from here. So what we call it is a background picture. So you can select this. So there are a couple of things in here, and you can leave it as white as well. So just the sample thing. So if you have a very small message, it looks good when you apply that. So when you're doing a post, you have other options like public. So public is like the target audience which you are targeting this post. So I'm doing public. So if you go inside that, you will find some other options like friends and friend accept. So if you select this one, so what it will do is it will uh, post your post for your friends only. So if for example, if uh, a person who is not in your friend list try to visit your profile, that person won't be able to see any post, this post which is just shared for the friends only. And in this option, friend accept, in this we can do it like you can block persons, particular persons from whom you wants to hide the post. So sometimes I do like if I post anything and I don't want my family to see that, so I choose that one. So by default it's always public, and most of the time we choose public in here. So this is the target audience thing, and then we have a album. So we can now add our post to the album as well. So if you click on the album, it will show all the albums you have right now. So as you can see, I have created one test album in this. So either you can select it like that, or you can create your new album from here as well. So you can just type your album name and description. So album is like a category or folder in which you wants to manage your post or anything like that. So for example, if you wants to post or posting particular things like related to particular category, like maybe a food logging thing, or showing some awareness about particular disease, you can post it inside an album. So it will be easier for you to scroll that. So that is for that. So I will just deselect it for now and leave it as it is. So you won't be able to see it in album, so it will be just save without album. So when you click post, it will just post it. So as you can see, it's posted in here. So inside the home, you will see all the posts including yours. So this is mine now. And if you scroll down, you will see the post from different friends or groups which you have liked, or in your friend list. You will see the post in here. So, and this is the sponsor things which is done by the Facebook, and again the videos. So everything will be coming in here. So for example, if you want to know what your friends are up to and what they are doing, what you need to do is you just need to scroll down and see all the activities done by your friends. And while doing that, just always remember that this is the timestamp. So by seeing that, you are able to see what post is posted at what time. So like you can see it's 7 hours before it was posted, and how many things are there. And similarly it's 6 hours before. So that's how you see a post. So after posting, or if you are getting any post from your friends, you can do some activities on those posts. Like if someone send you a message, you send in a response like it's good, or you like this post and all. So for that we have particular options in here. So like you have like, you can just like that post like that, or you can apply some reactions on it. If you just go there and keep it pressed for like 1 second, it will show all the other options related to the reactions. So these are bunch of reactions you have, so you can do this or this sad kind of thing. So it will be posted, and your friend will get notified what you have done on that. And then you have comment. So inside that comment, you can comment like you can say how wonderful this post is. So when you do that and click this, so when you go back, I'm just pressing a back button right now. So you will see that one comment is added, and when you click on this one, you will see all the comments which are posted by you or any other persons in that particular post. Then you have share. So if you want to share this post on your wall, so for example, if I see a post from another group like this one, so it is visible for me only. So if I like it really, if I find it really good, then I will just share this post. And as you can see, it's on public, so I will just say like yeah, just see that thing and it's awesome. And then this post will be visible in my profile, and by doing that, my friend list now can see this post even without following this particular person. So this is how this thing works. So let me revise this thing. We have come to the home button, and we try to post something. So we have done that, and then in that post we can react on it by using this button. We can comment on it, and we can share on it. When we share this, it will be posted in our wall. So if I do it like hi forwarded, and if I do a share now, so it should show it like I need to refresh it first. And let's go to the profile, and now you can see this is my first post, and when I share something, it will be shown like this. So you can append something, and then the original source will visible here, like some page or some friend will be visible here, and then this is the actual post. Okay, so we have covered all those things. So let's go back to the home. So post can be posted in a two-way. So first I have done that from my wall, right? So this is the home page, so it will be posted on my wall. And we can also do that same post by going here. So I can type something like my friend name, and then I can do that here as well. So this is the same thing. As you can see, it's showing that right post. So when I click on it, it will just show the same thing. So when I do that, it will post the post on another person wall. So as you can see, this is another person profile, and then when we post it, it will be posted like that inside that person. So he may know that we have posted something. So the main purpose or use of this is basically for birthday wishes or any other wishes where you want to just write a message to their wall, and it should be you want to do it publicly, so it will be showing as publicly post. So you can add comments, or that person can add comments on it, like thank you and all, and that person can also do some reaction on that post as well. So this is all for the post. So let's see some more things from the post. So post, like I said, post can be a textual base, and there are other types of posts, like they are photo video post, feeding activity and all, something like that. I won't be covering all those things. You can just see by yourself. It's pretty much straightforward. So I will just cover the photo video. So for photo video, there is a requirement when you wants to post something, like if you have clicked something, some photo, and you want to post it on a Facebook. So how you do it? You can just go to the post and click on it, and then you choose this photo video option. So when you do that, it will just show this thing, the photo you have selected. Okay, and after selecting that, what you need to do is you can just click next. So when you do it next, it will just show your selected photos inside your profile, and then you can again choose albums if you want to choose any album, and if you don't want to choose, you can just leave it like that, and you can just write something like this time I will be doing that only me. So this is for testing purposes. Sometimes he wants to do that, like you don't want to show anyone this thing, so you can just do that only me thing, and I will just then post it. So if you see this icon, it's uploading. So it actually uploading all the pictures, and then it will be visible like that. So everyone in your friend list will notify by that when they go to the home, and they will scroll it, and it will show like just now Prashant shows this. So this is how you upload photos on it. So when we talk about the post, in the same way, we can do the videos as well. And when you post something, there is a requirement, like you wants to edit it, like sometime it happens you mistyped it, and someone else tell you that, oh, you have misspelled this thing. So you wants to edit that. So you can edit that, like by uh, by going to this icon and click on it, and as you can see, it's showing the edit post. So inside that edit post, you can edit things in here. So I can again add like one more exclamation mark, and click on save. So it will repost it with a new text in it, and then you realize that, oh, I I shouldn't be posting this thing, this photo is not looking good and all. So you can again go to there and you can delete as well. So this is the delete button. So when you do that, it will ask for that you can edit if you want via deleting post and all, but he wants to delete, you make up my mind and make up your mind, so you will just delete the post. So what we have covered so far, we have written the post, we have added the post, we have deleted the post, we try to scroll down to different posts posted by our different friends and pages. And then other thing which you have noticed or heard a lot about is the check-in. So check-in basically tells that where you have been and where you are right now. So you can do a check-in from there. So what you do, you can just click on this check-in icon, and it will ask for your location where you're residing or where you are. So let's just do that, my college campus, and then you can choose your friends who is with you. I will just skip for now, and then it will just show a map, and here this is important, it will show that Prashant Kumar is at this following place. So by doing that post, it will just post it on my wall. So as you can see, it will show it like that. So this will be shown like that my college campus is here. I'm at college campus, and they can also see where it actually is. So that's how you check in the thing. And the another very widely used thing is going live. So it's like when you go in some functions or some concert, you want to go live so that people can know that yes, that person is actually there. You want to share that moment. So for those times, you can use go live function. So again, we are at home and we just click on the live. So with live, it will started to show the camera. So this is my camera right now, and if you want to change the camera, there is another icon, just like another album, I mean just another camera option. So you can switch it, and when you do that start live, so it will start broadcasting your video. Oh, so it will start doing that. I will just stop. Hi, I'm back. While I was going live, I think my screen recorder won't work along with the live thing, so it got stopped. So it will just ask you for share the video or save the video, and when you do that, it will just share the thing and save it for you. If you don't do that, it will just keep broadcasting your video live. So that was done by using this live button. So what other things you can do with this? So we have covered all those things. So let's just cover the home page first. So then home page will have different things like stories. So this section is covered with stories. So stories are like an option in which you can share something for 24 hours. So when you do that, it will be like be available and see in that section only. So like I have shared this story yesterday when I was doing a tutorial in Hindi. So it is just for 24 hours, and after 24 hours it will be removed. I think 10:45 was the time. It will automatically removed from my wall. So main thing which it offers is when somebody sees your thing, it will just show viewers here, and when anybody comments on it, it will be send it as a private message, so nobody will know that what comments you are getting. So this is for that purpose. And the another thing which is very popular in Facebook is the pages, different kinds of pages. So for pages, you can pages is like kind of a manual, or you can say browser kind of thing, in which uh, you like something, and that person or friend who is managing that page will be posting things so that you can also get it. So it's like a profile, but in a for a particular person only. So you can see I can just type something in here, like I want to search for Jackie Chan. So when I do that, it will just show all the pages related to that. You can also search for people, events, groups, etc., and even photos and videos now. So if we scroll more, you can see these are the videos. So you might find full movies in here as well. And also this is the page which I have already liked. So it is managed by some fans. And then there is another page, Armania, which is a page. As you can see, it's showing that as a page. So these are the pages, and when you get inside, you will see what kind of content they are posting. So as you can see, they are posting videos, like old things, old trailers or movie clips. So it will be all related to the Jackie Chan only. So if you wants to like keep getting in touch with a particular personality, you can do that. Almost all celebrities have Facebook pages. So when you put a like on it, you will be saying that I will be following you, and please post me whatever you are posting. So that's kind of an agreement with that page. And then on the home page, you will start seeing the post posted by this particular page. So that's how you started to get different contents from different groups. So that's page. Similarly, we have groups and all. So now I have covered the videos, and then we have profile. So profile is like your profile in which you can just upload your pictures, display pictures, and you can tell the world about yourself, that where you have graduated and all. Then you have that those photos which you wants to highlight, best times of your life, so that anyone new visit your profile, you will see things like that. And then you have friends, you can hide it as well. And then again that post comes, which we have covered already, and I was live just a few moments ago, so it was showing that. So that's profile. There is another way of going to the profile, is by going to this option. So that's the third mark, and then inside this you will find your profile in here. So let's click on it, and it will show you again in here. And then this is the bell icon, which is used for the notification purposes. So whenever anyone posts about you or on your wall, it will get uh, icon like that. So if you have one notification, it will go one or two. When you click on it, it will just show whoever posted anything, it will be like here. So somebody has comment something on my post, so it will show it like that person's name and comment on your post. When I go inside that, now they are asking what I am testing about, so I need to answer them, like why I am been testing. Okay, so this is all about the that notification thing. So one last thing which I want to share it, like the save post option, which is very handy. So for example, if you are scrolling something and you find it something interesting, like you might want to read this or want to share it in later of the time. So you want to save that. Basically you want to bookmark that so that you can easily access it again, because the need of this is that, because if after when you come to the post after 7 to 8 hours after, you will be flooded with so many posts, and it's really hard to get to that particular post which you have um, showed showed interest in. So in order to avoid that, I have some interest in it, I want to save it. So there is an option which is provided by the Facebook. You need to go to this 3 point thing, which is the option menu, and you can just click on the save post. So what it will do is it will create a bookmark kind of thing to your post, and then you can add it into your collection. So I will just do it for later thing, and then this particular post link will be saved in my collection. So how I can see my collection? So I need to go in this menu and see the save pages. So as you can see, this is the option saved. So when I click on it, you will see either in here most recent one, or you can go inside that for later, and now you can see this is the post which I have saved just a few seconds ago. So that's how you do it. And you, if you want to delete this from your saved collection, you can remove from the collection, so it will be removed from it. And similarly, if you want to upload any profile pic or anything like that, because profile pic is related to you, so you need to go to your profile and click on this icon. So and then you can just select photos from it, take a profile, add frames, and I don't know where it's not showing. Select profile picture. Okay, so it's showing here, so it will again show your gallery, and now you can do stuff. So that's how you can, and you can do the same thing in here as well. So just the same thing which we have done for posting photos in our post. So I think I have covered all the things which are necessary to get started with the Facebook. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any questions related to any options, please comment below. I will try to make a video of it or maybe answer it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.